Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today is the next part of the video that is Printful.com. Today I will let you know how you can make the product templates in Printful.com and how they are useful for you. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. Here I am on the Printful.com. To create the product template, I will go to my dashboard. I have already signed in my account. In the previous videos, I already told you how you can make your account on Printful and how you can integrate your Printful account with Etsy. Now I will go to the dashboard. And dashboard, you are seeing all these things on the left side. So for product templates, to create the product template, I will go and click on this product templates. Now here I already have some product templates that I've already made that are made from the default from the Printful. But if you want to create your own product template, that's how it is easy, very easy. Now how product template is useful. Actually, product template is useful when you create a product like the product template that is in. This is useful in this case that like we have tons of products like half sleeve t-shirts, full sleeve t-shirts, hoodies, pants, pajamas, blankets, and etc. So if like you want different designs on only one product, like if you're going to select half sleeve t-shirt, okay, but you have different designs for every t-shirt. In this way, product template is useful. You will create one product template, you will place the design here, you will let them know, and you will create one product template that is of, in our case, we have half sleeves t-shirt. You can select any other if you want, but we are selecting half sleeves t-shirt. Now, you place the design here and you will save the template. After that, we will create as many as designs for that particular product. So there, let's see on the screen, in the product template section, click on create more product templates. Now you are seeing some items here. You can select any of that for the product template. I will go for men's clothing, and for men's clothing, I will choose any half sleeve t-shirt like this one, polo shirts. Okay, let's go with the polo shirt. Okay, now after clicking polo shirts, we have three options here, that is unisex Pico polo shirt, Adidas performance polo shirt, and premium polo shirt. Okay, and we have the prices here, that is for $19.95, $40, and $16.95. Now I will go with this one. I will click here. I will select this as my product. Now he is asking me for drop your design here. Now I will drop my design here. Let's see. Here I have my design. Now I will just simply drop my design here. So I have already uploaded this logo. I will apply, and after applying it, you are seeing that my design has been pasted. But in this border section, I have to keep my design in the limit. Like the blue lines you are seeing when I click on here, you see these blue lines. We have to stay in those lines. If I will make my logo bigger, then these lines you are seeing that it's been cropped and or masked. Okay, so I will keep in these lines and like this. Now choose the thread colors max to something gray. If I will click it to none, it will go back to its default colors, that is green. Okay, now here it is in the green, and now I will go on the layers. In the layers section, if you want to add like any more thing like the background for this or anything, you can add text, you can add clip art, and it's very simple. Like if I'm going to add the text here, I will click your text here. And you are seeing that the text is on the top. Now I will press here and I will change the color to red. I will change the coloring details to white. And after that, I will get text. Okay, sorry. I'll go to layers. I will select this one. I will set coloring details and I will select blue. Okay. This one. Wait. Why? I will select blue for this one also. Now we have this layer and this layer. Now we have actually 4 layers in total, and this one has actually 2 sub layers. Now if you want to move any layer from below, like if you want the logo on the top and the text and the background, we can simply just drag and drop any layer to the bottom and it will automatically be replaced. It will go back to backwards. That layer will be gone to backwards. So it's already in backwards. You can see it's behind the logo. Now if you want to keep it in front of the logo, it's up to you. You just simply drag it and drop it here, and the text will appear at the front of the logo. Now transform color details, designs, text, clip art, quick designs, anything you like to have it on the shirt. It's up to you. Now just simply go and click on Save Product Template. After click saving, it will take some time to save your product template created, as you can see. So if here we have the t-shirt. So if it is taking time to save it, like if you are redirected to this screen and loading is still continuing to load, if you're taking time, just simply you can refresh it and it will look like this. Sometimes Printful will take time because it's a heavy website. It has a lot of models of functions and styles, and that's why it can take some time on some PCs. Now we are here, and now we'll go how to make to use these product templates so they are useful. We have already created one, and now we will see what's the use of this product template. I will show you in the next Printful series how to make mugs, how to make backpacks, how to make t-shirts. But that's all for today. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.